vendo quanta coisinha de glitter que tem? Ah? Olha que lindo esse aqui. Não é lindo? O povo tirando foto. Muito lindo. Hã? Olha aqui, está tudo muito perto aí.
Gente, a gente estava aqui quando a gente foi procurar o da Pop Mart.
Sim. Pop Mart acho que é ali dentro. Hã? Okay, so today we are going to took one of those bus 24 hours. That's hop on, hop off, and we are going to the other side of the island. So we are now in Kowloon. So we are going to cross to the Hong Kong island, and we're gonna walk there. Let's go. Huh? Okay, are you ready? Yes. So,
Always.
like I explained before, we are staying in Kowloon because I didn't know the difference between one and the other, but our hotel is in Kowloon. And now we have to take the ferry to cross over, and we're going to Hong Kong Island. And there we are going to do a little bus tour. So hop on, hop off, and then do a little bit more shopping because, you know, we love shopping. And maybe we are going to the peak. Is it Victoria Peak?
Victoria
We
Peak.
have to take the tram. Anyway, we're taking you with us, and let's see how the day unfolds. But I'm very excited.
Me too.
Yes, this year.
Hã? É, você fica aqui, ó. Sim, foi pra estátua.
TikTok Shop. Que lugar onde vende todas essas coisas que eu vou ter daqui sem nada.
Okay, so now after walking a lot around Causeway Bay, we are going to take the tram to go to the peak. So let's see how this is. I'm tired. Are you tired?
Yes, very tired. Ai, que tão maluca também. Vai ser horrível.
Olha que lindo. Okay, we're at the top of the peak, and it's actually like a little shopping center. It's kind of nice here. Olha que lindo. Olha, tem um monte de coisinhas aqui, olha. Hã?
Aquela não vamos deixar, acho que a gente tem que ir pra lá.
Pra onde?
Tem a outra pra dar pro sul.
Ali, ó. Hã?
Olha, quando
Olha o cliente não. Olha o cliente.
I'm tired. Oh my gosh. Huh? I'm tired. Hey, yeah.